Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track radio out of a 70 Challenger. It is now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth. And a customer requested wired to the original connector so we don't get that big increase in output power, but the radio just plugs right back in and it's ready to go. This comes from Jim in Riverside, New Jersey. Wow, I'm getting a lot of jobs from way up northeast here lately. Thank you so much, Jim, for your business from clear across the country. It doesn't get too much farther than New Jersey from Arizona. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get. So here we go.
Capacity back up to where you'd like it to see. You like to see it.
Well,
because like everything, the companies abuse the process. I mean, they're in the pursuit of driving a race to the
balance.
bottom. I mean, the tariffs are,
left.
There was a major promise when NAFTA. We go back to when NAFTA happened in 1992,
okay.
the big
Center.
debate, and
Okay.
Ross Perot talked about the
Tone.
giant sucking sound that our manufacturing base was going to disappear.
More bass.
He was spot on.
Less
and
bass.
we saw what happened.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
90,000 plants leave.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM. Open, I forgot to preset the stations, but we'll go ahead and move over to FM. And we do that by turning the unit off, then right back on. Now, in this case, the radio's original on-off switch is shot. And so, I mean, there's no way you're going to find a new one of these. They haven't been made in like decades. So I just have an external box here that I added so we can turn it on and off with this.
Now, of course, as a union guy, he talks in a way.
Off on. Okay, now we're on FM.
At least one person died when the Jesus said call. None is good. Since 19.
Okay, so you get the idea. We got a lot of FM stations there in that short duration. All right, let's try the 8-track. Eject the radio and eject and it comes back. So that takes care of that. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to do some packing. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print a work order off the home page of that website before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options and prices and turn times. Those will all be in the work order, and it'll answer those questions as you're filling it out. Once you have a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you about anything you like. I just don't want to answer the same 15-minute barrage of questions from every new customer. That just keeps me off the bench where the work gets done. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Jim, for your business clear from Riverside, New Jersey, and we'll see you next time.